Okay guys, I am super excited to show you what I got from the Sephora Rogue sale, so let's get into it. I'm just going to push this over to the sides, that way I can have some room to show you everything. So for skincare, I got the Inkey-less Salicylic Acid Cleanser. It is my absolute favorite cleanser of all time. It is only like $10, so it's super affordable and it's just amazing. I freaking love it. And the next item is gonna be the Olaplex Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment. It's number 0. I love using this along with the number 3 hair bonding treatment. I also got the shampoo and conditioner from Olaplex, but that's in the shower right now. But anyway, I love this line so much. This absolutely saved my hair when I went platinum. My hair was just kind of like super damaged and kind of just really bad. But anyway, I switched to Olaplex and my hair is just a million times better. Okay, so I needed some new lashes and I decided to go for the Sephora collection. As you guys know, during the sale, all Sephora items go on sale for 30% off. So I decided perfect time to try out the lashes. So I went ahead and got the weightless false lashes and it kind of goes from like everyday to a little bit more glam. So this is going to be the everyday flare, the flutter and stare, and then the fluffed and full. I am super excited to try these out. So for the next one, I got the House Labs eyeliner pencil. I saw someone use this in a tutorial one time and it was just freaking gorgeous. Actually, I think it was Robert Welsh who used this and he made me want to get it because just look at this. Look at how neon and bright this looks. I can't wait to play with this. So I always wanted to try the lip glosses from Patrick Ta, so I went ahead and got the color She Secure. And let me just open this up so I can swatch it so you guys can see what it looks like. First off, look at that packaging. Oh. Well, oh well. Anyway, it is really freaking cute. Smell test really quick. It smells sweet and minty at the same time. Oh my God. Holy crap. I am so glad I got this color. That's pretty. I just had to do a restock of my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is my all-time favorite mascara. Okay guys, I am so excited about this lipstick. I'm so glad that I finally got my hands on it. You guys know that I love Merit and their shade Tiger has been sold out every single time I go to try to purchase this. But anyway, they restocked it and I finally got my hands on it and just look at this brick red color. It is just so freaking gorgeous. Let me swatch it so that you guys can see the true beautiful color. Oh, it's like a brick red. I can't wait to put that on. So the next one is the Melt Ultra Matte Gel Liner. I am really excited about this one because you guys know that I love to do that geometric look with my liquid liners. Well, I haven't tried using a pot gel liner before, so I can't wait to get my hands on this to create beautiful liquid liner looks. So stay tuned for that. And here's another restock purchase. I absolutely love Beauty Blender and the fact that it's 60% plant-based, that's pretty cool. Okay guys, so I love shopping on Sephora's website because you just have so many options when it comes to their samples and I just freaking love it. It is the best way to try out brand new products without spending so much money. So I keep getting these, the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Omega Rich Cloud Cream. I didn't choose them, but whatever I did choose as a sample, I guess they ran out of. So I got plenty of these. So I'm excited to try these out. Another one that I didn't actually choose, but they chose for me because whatever I chose was already out of stock, but I got the Shiseido SPF, which I actually really like. So the next sample I got is the Gucci mascara. I am super excited about that. I love their lipsticks. I love their bronzer. So I can't wait to try this one out. I also got another tubing mascara from Wander Beauty. I heard a lot of really good reviews about this mascara, so I'm really glad that I had the option to get this as a sample. Now for this next one, I was super excited about the size of this sample. I'm really loving Dr. Gross's skincare, and this is gonna be the Vitamin C Lactic Oil-Free Radiant Moisturizer. I use this after like all my serums and treatments and stuff like that, and then I use it before like my night cream. It's amazing. I freaking love this stuff. And then of course, I got the famous Charlotte's Magic Cream. It's a really little jar, but I get to try it. I know it is insanely expensive, so I figured a sample size is perfect. And I kind of feel like you'll be able to get multiple uses out of this because I feel like a little definitely goes a long way. So I'm really excited about using this, seeing what all the fuss is about. Of course, once I saw a little sample size of a Versace perfume, I went ahead and got it. Don't ask me to pronounce anything on this label because I would not know how. But anyway, it smells really pretty. So my birthday is not this month. It was actually last month in October, but this was my birthday gift and I cannot wait to try this out. I love Tatcha. I have tried this primer here and it's the liquid silk canvas. I actually don't like it. I remember whenever I used it, it would start to pill anytime I tried blending it into my skin. So I know for sure that I do not like those, but these two here I have not tried, so I can't wait to try those. Alrighty, well that's it. I can't wait to use these in my videos, so I'll see you guys later.